What's up, everybody? Welcome to the EYM channel. I'm Alan. There's gonna be a couple different people featured on this channel as well. I'm not gonna be the only one that you're gonna be seeing content from, but yeah, this is my Q 2015 Sport. I just painted the engine cover chrome, so we can go ahead and match some of the pipes in here, like my still and intake pipes and my oil catch cans. If you guys wanna know how I put these in, let me know. I can definitely help you guys out with that. They weren't too hard. Yeah, I kind of modified it a little bit, especially if you have these, because they're like this one right here is like almost touching right here, but it's good. It clears. I plan on getting some silver braided hoses as well. If you guys think some colored braided hoses would look good, let me know. But I mean, that's why, like I said, that's why I painted that. This is my pop's Q50 Red Sport. I think it's a 2017 or 2018. It's pretty nice. He got the Rohana rims on it. He got a staggered setup as well. He got some fucking I don't know why it keeps going out of focus, man. That's fucking pissing me off. But yeah, he's got some white tires up in the back right there. I got my set right here. I'm running some rims on my shit too, at least halfway. I don't got some in the front. Car ID didn't wanna refund me my money. It is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just list the pair, and then list my fucking the stock ones with them, and then I'm gonna purchase the other ones very soon, and then I'm gonna do a staggered setup as well. I'm gonna have to buy a different offset for this one, so I can't even rotate the tire, so I might as well do a fucking staggered setup, right? I put these in yesterday. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I really don't like this. I wanted to know if I can make this like fucking clear or something. Probably just buy a silver stainless steel one or something like that. But I'm gonna be getting the silicone hoses for the radiator and the coolant very soon. So some mods that I do plan on recording for you guys is the intake plenum. When I get that in, I'll go ahead and actually record that for you guys and install it. Like I said, if you guys want me to reinstall all of this stuff, I can do that for you. It doesn't take too long, especially because I know how to do it. I did all this by myself. You know, it's not too much work. I was kind of debating on putting the cans up there, but you want the cans to be accessible and stuff like that, right? But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys don't see my strut bar. I do have a strut bar as well. I took it off because of all this stuff right here. I'll go ahead and update the video when I'm done, but it came in last week. Yeah, it came in last week or some shit like that. Last week on Tuesday or Wednesday or some shit like that, I don't know. And then I got my struts, or I don't know what these called. I think my struts for the hood and trunk. I don't know if you guys know, but the VQs are notorious for having shitty struts. They go out really quick. Same thing with the serpentine belt. I already got a new serpentine belt because my engine light kept coming on, and you guys are wondering why'd you get a serpentine belt if your engine light's coming on, or not the engine light but the battery light. Well, because I got a new battery, right, and then I got a new alternator as well and a new serpentine belt, because they said the serpentine belt was old and I was gonna have to change it, so I didn't want to have to do it later, so I just did it now. And yeah, but I don't know, I just cleaned the engine too like 2 weeks ago. I think the engine bay looks really nice and clean. Thinks how this how your engine should look, maintained. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. This is the first video of the channel, so like I said, I'm really excited to get this on the way. If you guys want me to go more in detail on what I have, like I'll show you guys the interior maybe in another video, but I have the carbon fiber eyelids or whatever, the eyelids you want to, the eyebrows, whatever you want to call them, and then the mirror, the carbon fiber side mirrors. Know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys can tell, but this was not originally black. I did the chrome delete. I hit the bumper as well a little bit to make it look a little cool, and then I did plastic dip the hood. It looks like a matte hood, to be honest with you, when it's clean. So it does stand out a lot. But yeah, like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions on how much I spent on the setup so far, let me know. If I've ever had any problems with the car as of now, no. Like maybe the battery light, but other than that, like this car runs pretty well. You gotta make sure to just maintain the oil. I update the oil or change the oil every like 2,500 miles, especially on the VQ. If you change the oil on VQs a little bit sooner than what they tell you to, then it's even better. So yeah, guys, I'll update you when this shit dries, and then when I slap everything back on. But yeah, I'm really excited to get started. You know, I've been watching a lot of videos about the VQs, so let's get to it. Cool, guys, so I just got done. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look on how everything turned out before I take off. I added some new struts, and this shit just pops open. I like that a lot, so whoo, I think it came out really nice. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I might remove it and just keep it off, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna keep it on and see what I feel about it. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna end the video by me just starting the car, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one. But in the next video, I plan on installing my Z1 undershroud. This one is all fucked up. This is all the OEM one. As you can see, I fucked it up pretty bad. So I'm really excited to install the Z1 Motorsports one. And then after that, I'll be getting the intake plenum, and then we'll be ready for the tune.